Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and this is now the chance for the next Bitcoin trade in case you missed the last pump here, yeah? So let me show you what has been going on. As you know, we had this huge pump to the upside when the news came out 2 days ago that Ripple won the case against the SEC, yeah? Then we had this huge pump here, and yesterday we had this huge dump. The question is why? And guys, if you also want to trade and take advantage of the upcoming volatility, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So yesterday, some news came out that Binance has cut 1,000 workers in recent weeks, but I don't think that this caused this dump because, I mean, yeah, they have now less workers, but why would this cause the dump? If you ask me, I would say that people made huge profits. Let me show you guys. If you entered somewhere here, like I also mentioned, that's why it's important that you subscribe to the channel because I always announce the upcoming trades. If you entered this long trade, you made, let's say, around 4% profit with the $100,000 position. You made $4,000 profit, for example. So if you ask me, basically, people just took some profits because if you have a nice profit, it's never wrong to close a partial position or to close the entire position once we reach resistance level. And as you can see here, we reached this resistance level. So I guess some people just took some money out of their trades, yeah. And as you can see right now, we have been trading, within this sidewards channel since the 21st of June, yeah. And we had a couple of attempts to break out of it. You can see here one, let's say 2, 3, 4, or here multiple, yeah. And we always got rejected. And I told you a couple of times, once we significantly break above this level here at around $31,400, yeah, with volume, yeah, and the RSI doesn't show us that we are already in the overbought territory, then we can even scale up our trade, or even if you are standing on a sideline, enter a new trade. And as you can see here, we had a couple of good entry points here. Yeah? If you entered here, you had some great profits. If you entered here, again, nice profits. So now this is the chance for you to enter next long trade, guys, because as you can see here, the RSI here is in the it was, let's say a couple of hours ago, it was in the oversold territory, yeah. So, and we have this strong white support going on, and we had the week down here at around $29,900, let's say. So what you can do right now, if you're standing on a sideline, yeah, you could enter, since the RSI is so low, and we have this support going on now, as you can see here, this blue line at about $30,200, plus this really strong white support line here, yeah. If you're standing on the sideline, you can enter a trade right now, yeah, with the stop loss below those wicks, yeah. You could enter, the stop loss could be, let's say, at around $29,650, yeah. And the goal, I mean, we have to, let's say, the profit could be taken up here, yeah. As you can see here, this is a very good risk to reward ratio. So you can enter a long trade right now, stop loss right here, and I guess soon we will see the next pump to the upside, because as you can see here, every time when we are this low down in the RSI, we see a new pump. Here we have the same situation as here, and what happened? We had a huge pump again up here. So this could be a really, really nice trade setup right now. And let me also show you what's going on with Ethereum, of course, guys. So let's have a look here. Similar situation. I mean, we also formed this on the hourly time frame. We formed this symmetrical triangle, and then we broke down. So we also had this nice. That's also, guys, I announced this trade. Once we break out of this descending channel, we can enter a long position. So if you enter this long position, as mentioned, then you also made great profits. That's why it's always important to subscribe to the channel, guys, yeah? That you know of the upcoming trades. So let me show you here what happened last time, yeah, when we were here. We always get a pump. Always when the RSI is in the oversold territory, we see a move to the upside. So as you can see here, we went down here. We went to the oversold territory, and the question right now is, what can you do if you're standing on the sideline? Yeah, similar situation. I mean, we are trading between those two lines. This one acting as support, this one acting as resistance right now. So basically, you could enter. If you want to trade a little more risky, let's say you could enter a long position with a stop loss below this wicks here. Let's say the stop loss should be at around $1,890. or you can wait until we form another chart pattern. Basically, we could form another symmetrical triangle right here. But if you want to play it risky, you could enter long position, stop loss down here, and yeah, the target would be at least up here at the next resistance at around $2,000. And you can see here this acted also here as resistance, and then also we saw this dump, but I guess just a lot of people took profits out of their trades. Yeah, so guys, that's what's going on right now. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.